I love showing people how delicious plant-based cooking can be. My name is Alex Caspero. I am a registered dietitian and plant-based chef. Soy is a high-quality, complete plant protein with a variety of nutrients. Eating soy can help lower the risk of heart disease, help support bone health, help with cognitive function, and soy is delicious. I love eating and cooking with soy. Soy has a neutral flavor profile, which means that it really takes on whatever sauce or marinade or seasoning that you want to use, and that itself makes it an incredibly versatile superfood. It's why I love cooking with tofu and do so almost daily. Tofu is classified by its firmness. So what this means is you can have silken or soft tofu, which is a really soft consistency, all the way up to extra firm or even super firm tofu. If you're new to cooking with tofu, I'd recommend starting with either a firm or an extra firm option. These are also the most common options found in the grocery store in the refrigerated section. We're gonna be making my crispy tofu bowls with rice and pickled cucumbers. This is such a delicious weeknight meal, especially if you like spicy food. To start, we're gonna take our extra firm tofu, drain and press it, and then crumble it into a skillet along with soybean oil, and then cook that until it's chewy and dense. This can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we'll whisk together a soy, ginger, and gochujang creamy sauce, pour that over our cooked tofu, and then cook until it's heated through and warm. To finish, we'll serve with cooked rice along with quick pickled cucumbers that we make by thinly slicing Persian cucumbers, tossing them in a little bit of rice wine vinegar, toasted sesame oil, and sugar. Enjoy as is, or you can garnish with sliced scallions, chopped cilantro, and sesame seed. You guys hungry?